Good morning, folks. This is Dave Herbert, your technical handyman, and you're looking at the Helix by Airhogs, and you've probably seen me fly the videos. Now, this has been replaced with the new Reflex. And what we're going to do today is I'm going to compare the two. They virtually look the same, however, I haven't opened the box yet. So, step by step, I'm going to show you some modifications. And let's take a look at how this thing works, okay? Just for a little reference, I'll show you how the Helix flies real quick, and then we'll try the Reflex after I make those modifications. But this is basically what it looks like. That's it. Let's get on and see how the Reflex does. Well, I'm telling you, they should get a award for packaging, because they really package this up. Trying to get it out of the box is the hardest part. Taped around. Well, so far so good. Here, finally got the lid off the box. Now you can see they've really got the rotor blades packed good, and let's work on the rest. There you can see inside the box transmitter and battery charger. So let's go. The first thing I noticed is the new charger comes with a adapter on it, probably because they were having trouble with the charging the LiPo battery. The old charger right here does not. The old Helix, see, I've modified this transmitter, and also I'm going to put the screws on that one too. I like the return flow on this because you can come down easy. It also came with two blades, separate sets. The Helix, this is the Reflex, this is the Helix. They look identical, except I see a little slot on the fuselage that looks like the air cooling. Looks pretty much the same. So without further ado, let's see what else is in store with this setup. Now, what I'm putting a screw into the sticks on the transmitter, the stock transmitter. I don't particularly like the short sticks that are on there, and this isn't very hard. The hole's already there. Just find yourself a pretty good fit screw, tighten it in a little bit, and that's pretty easy to do with this. I don't like the spring loaded on the storm launcher. I have more control, but on the helicopter, this brings it down soft and you can land it in your hand. So that's a pretty good setup. I like that. So there you go. The Helix and the Reflex. The trim knob. Everything looks the same so far. Let's see what the difference is, folks. Okay, let's give the Reflex, the new Reflex, a try and see how this flies. Oh, that's pretty stable. I like that. Oh, this has a lot more power. Really. Look at that. That's nice. Very, very nice. In here by myself in the garage. I hope I'm in front of the camera so you can see just how nice this is flying, actually. And, yeah, this is very good. I like it a lot. Oh, this is so much fun. Look at this. One-hand helicopter landing. Yeah. Oh, it's absolutely Here we go. Pretty nice.